Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Casa Adobe local and long-distance movers near me. If you need moving services in Casa Adobe or the surrounding area, look no further. We at 3 Movers are ready to offer specialized moving services and can handle residential moves, office relocation, and corporate moving services with great customer service and professionalism. What do you need to take into account when moving long distance? Prepare your belongings by selecting what you take with you and what you will donate, sell, or store for a certain period of time. Rent a proper vehicle to fit it all in, while considering state laws for transportation, as you might be stopped for checkups. Drive a long way while transporting heavy cargo, keeping the driver and the items safe along the way. Ensuring that the belongings arrive at their destination on time and unload them without harming anything. Why go through all this hassle when you can hire a team of professionals to do all the heavy lifting for you? 3 Movers is a company that specializes in everything involved in moving long distance, so leave it to the experts and focus on your new start in a different state. Do you have to change houses or move your business within or around Casa Adobe? Let us help you. We have been operating in the area for years and we know it inside out. Everything will go smoothly and your belongings will arrive on time and unharmed, all for a favorable price. If you need extra services like storage space, packing, or unpacking, just let us know and we will include them in the moving plan. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.